Hi dears, welcome to our geography class. Today we are going to discuss our first chapter, that is the name of the chapter is the earth in the solar system. Did you ever notice our sky, especially the night sky? What can you see in the night sky? Just tell me, what can you see? Yes, you can see stars, you can see the moon. Yes, very good. You can see many objects in the sky. And what about the day sky? Yes, we can see only the sun in the day sky. Very good. Just see the picture. As you said, the stars are there, moon is there. Yes, many objects are there. See, these sky or these objects in the sky are known as celestial bodies. Did you understand what are celestial bodies? The moon, the stars, the sun, all things in the sky are known as celestial bodies. Okay, we can first discuss about the moon, the celestial body, the moon. Okay, see, can you see the moon always in the same shape? Yes, no, we can't see the moon always in the same shape. The shape is going on changing. Day by day, it is going on changing. Just see the picture. Can you see the full moon? Yes, the moon is in full its shape. So, that day when the moon is coming in its full position or full size, it is known as the full moon night. Okay, the full moon night or Purnima. What is Purnima? On the day of Purnima, the moon will be in its the correct shape, in the round shape. Okay. Now look at the picture. Some days the moon is in this shape, right? Or some days we can't see the moon at all. So that day or that night is known as the new moon night or Amavasya. Okay. It is known as the new moon night or Amavasya. On that day, on Amavasya day, we can't see the moon at all, or we can see the moon in its in a curved shape only. Okay. Now just tell me, what is Purnima? Yes, Purnima is the day when we can see the moon in its full size, and the Amavasya is the day on which day we can't see the moon at all, or we can see just a curved shape of the moon. Okay, is it clear? Now you all know about the stars. You know the stars are twinkling in the sky, right? From your childhood you are learning many rhymes about the stars. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Like that poems did you learn in your nursery days? Yes, the stars are twinkling in the sky. So that celestial body, stars are also celestial body. That celestial bodies have its own heat and light. Okay, stars are the celestial bodies which are having its own heat and light. So that is why the stars are twinkling in the sky. It has its own light. Did you ever think about our sun? Do you know our sun is also a star? Our sun is the nearest star to our earth. That is why we can see its shape. The other stars we can't see it because it is very far away from our earth. We can see only a dot like twinkling, right, in the sky. Actually, it is not the correct size of the star. The stars are having large size than our earth, but we can see as in minute shape because it is very far away from our earth. Do you know some specialties of our stars? See, some stars are having some gangs. You have your friends gang, no? Like that, the stars are also having its own gang, its own group. So these groups are known as constellations. What are known as constellations? Constellation, simply we can say a group of stars. Constellation means group of stars. You have many friends gang, right? Friends group. Like that, stars are also having its own friends. That group of stars or group of stars are known as constellations. Is it clear for you? As you are giving some names for your group, our constellations are also having some names. Can you see in the picture some names of the constellations? Don't think about all the names, okay? Because we human beings are giving the names for the stars or the constellations. Constellations are not the those who are giving its own name. So simply the scientists or the astronomers are giving some names. So we want to study one of the constellation. One of the important constellation, that is in India it is known as Saptarishi. Okay, Saptarishi. Can you see? This is an important constellation and its name is Ursa Major constellation. In India it is known as Saptarishi. Do you know why this constellation or why this Ursa Major is very important? Because with the help of this constellation we can notice the pole star. You know what is the importance of this pole star? In ancient times many sailors took the help of this pole star to know the directions. Nowadays it is very easy for us to know the direction or to know the route. We will simply take the Google map or we will find out the routes, right? But at the ancient time it was not available there. So with the help of stars the sailors find out some directions or routes. So the pole star, the specialty of the pole star is the pole star always will be there in the north direction. Okay, so the sailors, to know the north direction, they took the help of this pole star. So with the help of this Saptarishi we can notice the pole star. You can see the picture. Just see, can you see the pole star? Actually with the help of this Saptarishi we can notice which one is pole star. So in ancient times the sailors or the merchants took the help of this star to know the direction. Okay. So what and all we discussed today? We can just have a revision. We discussed about celestial bodies. What are celestial bodies? Tell me. Yes, the celestial bodies are the objects which are shining in the sky. It can be star, it can be sun, it can be moon, many objects are there. So the objects in the sky are known as celestial bodies. After that we discussed about Purnima and Amavasi. Did you remember that? What is Purnima? Yes, the full moon. Just think about the full moon. So it is known as Purnima or full moon night. And what is Amavasi? Yes, the day on which we can't see the moon at all. That day is known as Amavasya or new moon night. After that we discussed about stars. Which is the nearest star to the earth? Yes, very good. The sun is the nearest star to our earth. Very good, very good. After that, did you remember about constellation? What are constellation? Yes, that you remember very easily, right? The gang of stars, the group of stars. Yes, very good. The group of stars are known as constellation. So, what is specialty of pole star? Tell me. Yes, pole star always indicates the north direction. Very good. So, after the next class we will discuss about the planets and in detail. Okay. Thank you.